Face coverings can be especially uncomfortable in our desert heat, and they can cause skin irritation as well. News Channel 3's Caitlin Thrope has some tips from an expert on how to wear your mask safely in the heat.
It really is hot out, and before we had to wear masks, it was pretty unbearable. But now we all do have to wear masks, and wearing a mask is the best thing you can do for your health and for the health of those around you.
Dr. Wendy Roberts, a dermatologist in Rancho Mirage, tells us cloth masks and bandanas still work great, but when out in the heat, consider a lighter option. But be aware that the surgical masks and N95 masks should still only be used by the medical and first responder communities. Dr. Roberts also tells us wearing a mask all day can cause some issues for your skin. She calls it the mask face.
And mask face is basically skin that's been covered by a mask all day. And lots of things can happen when you do that. If you have oily skin, you can develop acne in the mask area.
And she recommends
a daily washing. There's salicylic acid, which is really good, and it helps to clear up acne.
For those with eczema or have sensitive skin, Dr. Roberts says,
so for my sensitive skin patients, I like them to use a BB, a barrier cream. And the barrier creams are usually made of silicone, so that's the magic ingredient you want to look for on the cream.
And if during the day your face is feeling extra hot,
you can just take ice cubes and roll them around your face, but just don't leave them in one spot. You don't want to get a burn from the ice.
Dr. Roberts says wearing a mask could be worse if we lived in humid climate.
Here in the desert, we're lucky because of our dry climate. It's a little bit easier on us to wear a mask, and actually we will accommodate to it over time. That's the great thing about human beings. Once we have to do something, our bodies learn and our minds learn to accommodate. So masks will get to be more comfortable the longer that we wear them, and that's the good news.
In Rancho Mirage, Caitlin Thrope, News Channel 3.